The mini split has arrived. Here's how it comes shipped. It comes in 2 boxes here. You've got the larger outside unit with the hose that you're gonna need to connect. And then you got the inside unit in this other box here. We're gonna get this set up on the side of the house. It feeds into a small dining room / home office area. And I'll show you what that looks like and get it all set up. Here's what it looks like inside unit. We were able to fit it in between these 2 windows. We didn't have a lot of options in this room, but that's worked out pretty good for the inside unit. And it's nice, there's no cords, there's no power plugs, anything. It just goes all through one hole through the back, and we'll show you that in a minute. And here's the outside unit. We've got it mounted on a slab here. We were able to buy that at a local home center. It was a pretty good heavy one, so we got it nice and level, put down on some gravel. Mounted the outside unit. All we had to do that, you know, most people won't necessarily be able to do easily is run a 220 volt, 20 amp service out here that this is hardwired into. You can't just plug these into a wall plug. You've got to have a 20 amp service brought out so that you can have this hardwired in. And then you can see coming out of the unit, the lines, they're wrapped in that insulating tape, and they're inside a bit of a gutter type conduit. And then they go into the wall right there between my 2 windows, and that's where our inside unit is mounted. So the nice thing about this kit, it is totally do-it-yourself, because those lines were attached to the inside unit, run through the conduit here, run to the back, and we were making space available for the extra line because that line comes pressurized. And you don't want to have to deal with bringing an HVAC person in. So by just attaching the predetermined fitting on the end here into the unit and sealing these together, you puncture that internally, and then that's how you get your line connected. It's already pressurized. You don't have to worry about having any other refrigerant changes made, but you're going to have some excess line depending on where your inside of the split unit is going to be located. So in this case, we just hung a hook here in the house and just coiled that up and then insulated that as well with this tape. It's really good stuff that they recommended, and that's it. So whole unit here, kept all that off the ground. We've got our condensation line just coming out here and just draining out. Probably need to trim that back a little bit, but that's it. That's the whole install. Really easy DIY. It's always a little scary when you're penetrating surface on your home, but it was not a big deal. We actually were able to do that without much problem at all. Super happy with this unit. It's really transformed our house. Hey, I hope this video was helpful. Hope this information was useful to you. And as always, I hope you have a great day.